I think the statement from Öcalan shows that a lot of people in the region wants to have a peace and wants to have a fair peace process. So I think a lot of good things is happening, and we see moves now in the bigger region that's actually helping to get to a peace process. And I think that there are similarities with what's happening in the Northern Ireland in the late 90s, and I think we should inspire from other peace process in this peace process as well. But every process, if is of course unique in their own ways. Still, he's in prison. He's still under surveillance from the Turkish state. So, of course, there are still a lot of difficulties. I think nobody thinks that the PKK can actually have an actual Congress. What we want to see now is, of course, move from the Turkish government and in all the way to Erdogan himself as president, that they actually want to have a peace process, that there's not a trap in any way, or at they want to really negotiate how to include the Kurdish people into the Turkish state and have their own ability to have the culture and life and freedom in a way that they don't have today. And I think a first good move from the Turkish state could be dropping charges against Kurdish people that are political prisoners today, and let them free, and also let's have a ceasefire that's continue that we see from the PKK side at the moment. So I think the reactions from the European side has at the moment been quite reluctant and not so offensive, and it's mainly because I think people wondering what's actually going to happen in the peace process, and I also think that we are still both as countries, but also like my party, the Left Party of Sweden, still thinking about like in which way could we support our Kurdish friends in the best way? What are the demands from the Dem party towards international friends around Europe and the world, and how we can support that? And of course, one of those things is to put pressure on the Turkish state. Peace can come in a very fast way if people react and act for the way of peace, and to do that in the solving the Kurdish issue at this point will be very, very important for the peace in the Middle East.